welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. You ever run into studio dilemmas? I know I got one. I mean, even though I have a really nice studio space, I have a furry little invader named Maggie who keeps coming into my space and seems to have some kind of natural ability to, one, open doors, and two, find whatever piece, no matter how well hidden, that I have just completed or have in progress. For instance, this one. You guys may remember this piece. We were talking about this in relationship to the Alvin drafting pencil, which is what we use this. So I take this piece home. I prop it up against the counter up high where I would think that she wouldn't bother it. It's sitting up, and come in the next day, find this. This is exactly what I walked into. Little kitty footprints all through the graphite and smudge marks everywhere. I really could have lost my mind. But even when you have a 7.5 pound problem like my cat Maggie, there's always some way to work around it. Now, I was thinking one good way to protect my drawings in process or also while in storage, it just keeps everything away, because I really don't have I don't have enough space for like a flat storage drawer, and I'm running quickly out of space in my storage closet because it's full of like real material. So it's hard to delegate space. What I was thinking of is this little gem. This is the Alvin artist sketch board. Now, granted, this is kind of like a student-y thing. It's just a rigid piece of board. Has nice round corners and a cool clip, and most people think of this like drawn in your lap kind of thing, and that is, I love that, and that's great. It also has like a cool elastic band that it comes with, so that you can secure the edge on this back edge so the paper's not flopping around. But whenever you have a problem, you got to think out of the box. And so the great thing that I've started using this Alvin sketchboard for is when pieces are in progress, or you have something that you need to keep protected and out of the way entirely, and you want to make sure it doesn't get creased, as doing this. On your easel, it's protected, it's out of the way, you don't have to worry about it being marred or anything like that, and the sketchboard keeps it flat and you don't have to worry. So, $10 solution to a 7-pound furry problem like my own. Check it out. It's really great. It's a wonderful tool to have around for either plein air or just working outside sometimes on your front porch enjoying the day, or if you want to watch a cool movie with your kid and do some sketching while you're at it. So check out an Alvin sketchboard. They're really cool. Enjoy.